Hey, what's up YouTube? So in this real quick video I'm going to show you how you can test your 12 volt internal Xbox One S fans using the original 12 volt power supply that comes with the Xbox. I have this rewired and modified using a custom made driver that I put together, and I also have a multimeter connected in circuit so it can detect the voltage. As for the driver, I'm using an LM33AT semiconductor, and that's connected to the input to the output using two 10K ohm resistors. I have one wire going from the input to the heatsink of the semiconductor, and I also have another input connection connected to the adjustable pin. So here I'll go ahead and fire up the power supply. What we should see is a voltage detection reading of approximately 10 volts or so with this configuration. So here we go. And as you can see, we have a steady output reading of 10.8 volts, which is a potential of 11 volts. Now I'll go ahead and unplug here. Let me see a nice voltage drop. Slowly back down to 0 volts there. So there you have it. This is just a simple and effective method of testing your 12 volt internal Xbox One fans.